Hi, it's Carolyn Taylor from Global Focus on Cancer, and I just wanted to talk a little bit more about our cancer awareness program for factory workers in Vietnam. Cancer accounts for approximately 1 in 9 deaths globally, and more than 50% of the global cancer burden is found in low and middle income countries. The number of new cancer cases is expected to rise by up to 70% over the next 20 years. If this happens, by the year 2030, there'll be more than 26 million new cancer cases diagnosed each and every year. 50% of cancer in LMIC occurs under the age of 65. This leads to an avoidable loss of productive life years. In Vietnam, cancer represents a significant and growing burden. It accounts for up to 12% of all deaths in the country. Vietnam also has one of the highest cancer mortality rates in the world at over 73%. Due to the extremely high burden of cancer there's an enormous need for programs involving cancer awareness, prevention, and support. We've collaborated with U.S., Vietnamese, and international cancer control experts to develop an evidence-based, locally adaptable cancer awareness program that we deliver directly to factory workers in order to address the issues of late diagnosis and cancer prevention. The program is innovative in that we partner with U.S. companies who manufacture in LMICs to deliver this basic education to their workers, and we rely on these corporations to fund the implementation of the program. Details of our program include training capacity building for the workers. We develop a resource library within the factory center that provides information on specific cancers, screening, locally available and affordable treatment options. We also train a group of workers that act as ambassadors and peer educators. They'll be responsible for distributing literature and maintaining the resource library. We use flipbook-style presentations to provide basic, useful information about cancer prevention, early detection, and treatment methods. Our presentation is delivered by healthcare professionals in the factory setting. And it includes information on general risk factors, types of cancer, causes of cancer. We explore truths, myths, and stigma about cancer. Cancer prevention, early detection methods are talked about. We have very specific cancer statistics that we gear towards the target audience in the country we're working in. We also have information on nutrition, exercise, lifestyle, and behavior modification. And we include survivor stories and photos in an attempt to humanize the cancer experience. Our partners include the outdoor clothing manufacturer Patagonia, their local Vietnamese representatives, factory management, and also the health team within the factory. Life Center is a Vietnamese NGO founded in 2007. They've been partnering with international NGOs such as BSR on the HER Project and USAID to deliver health programs throughout Vietnam. They'll be implementing our program. Last year, we signed an MOU with the Bright Future Foundation to work together to increase cancer education and support throughout Vietnam. BFF is a cancer-related NGO founded by the Vietnamese Vice Minister of Health. They'll be assisting our program by providing cancer prevention materials and information on screening and treatment facilities that are convenient and affordable for the workers to access. In terms of outcomes and measurements, we've designed a basic questionnaire that Life Center representatives will administer pre- and post-delivery of the program to a random sampling of employees in an effort to measure knowledge change. Life Center will evaluate the test results and provide GFC and Patagonia with a detailed analysis of the data. 3 months after the initial presentation, we'll return to the factory to track attempts from the workers to access cancer prevention and screening services, and if needed, everything can be administered verbally. Our timing: programs are designed and approved. We only need to translate and print. That's all that's left. Our local partners have been contracted, and we've been consulting with them to customize and tailor our program based on their experiences working within the factory system in Vietnam. Patagonia is committed to launch a pilot program in mid-2015 in 3 factories in the Hanoi area. For budget, Patagonia has agreed to pay for the implementation of the program in their factories, and that cost is approximately $5,000 per factory per year. This number includes all costs associated with the program except for the initial training of the Life Center staff, and GFC will be responsible for that. If we do win any of the prize money, which we would be very lucky to do because there's amazing programs here, we would use that prize money towards the expenses relating to training the Life Center team before implementation of the program can begin. So that's it. Thank you all so much, and we'll see you in March.